How to set up Smart Sidebar on your OnePlus Nord 3, Nord CE3, Nord CE4. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Settings app. Now scroll down up to Advanced feature or Special features. Tap on Special features. Yes, here you can see Smart Sidebar. That will help you to quickly launch app or access function from the sidebar. Tap on it. Now you can see the starting. Welcome to Smart Sidebar. Quickly open apps, tools file. Tap on Get Started. Now you can access the Smart Sidebar to swipe in from the upper part of the screen to bring up Smart Sidebar. Now when you toggle on it, now you can see Smart Sidebar option here at the top. When you toggle up, you can see remove it. When you toggle off it, you can see remove it. Now toggle on it. Now here you can see floating bar. Adjust the location, size and auto hide setting for the floating bar. Tap on it. Here you can see do not hide, auto hide, automatically hide when not used. Here you can increase or decrease the size of a Smart Sidebar. Its transparency up or down like this, left or right. Here we select right, you can select left and you can see the left side. To select the option we select right, also up or down here we select up. Transparency, you can adjust the transparency, also size. Restore to default to by default restore. Now go back. Here you can see file does transfer content across apps and device. Tap on it. Here you can save your photos and files to file doc to quickly access on your phone or share other apps. Make sure to go on file doc. Go back. Here also see show recent files, show app names. Now swipe from the screen bar and you can see file doc, recent files. To add any application. Now to automatically hide the floating bar or for the Smart Sidebar auto hide or do not hide. Automatically hide the floating bar when Smart Sidebar is not used. The floating bar can only be fixed in the upper half of the screen on the left or right side. Tap on a turn on. Now open Google Photo. Tap any photo. Tap the share button. Now allow. Now save to file doc option you see at the bottom. Tap on save to file doc. Now you can quickly access this photo on your file doc like this. Now you can quickly share with anyone using this file doc. Just open the Smart Sidebar, tap on a file doc and you can find the photo. Long press it. You can also move it to another app or another contact. But quite easy or useful feature. You can also see all your recent files or photo here. Tap on edit. Here you can add application. To remove it, tap on a minus icon or add your important application to quickly access from sidebar. Like we use calculator, tap on a plus icon. Now add a calculator, tap on a done. Now you can quickly access calculator anytime. Just open the sidebar and tap on a calculator. So quite helpful feature to quickly access any app or share application or photos with another user on your OnePlus device. That's it. If you like it, share it.